So do you spend a ton of time responding to your Google My Business reviews, or maybe you just don't respond at all? Well, either way, you know that online reputation is absolutely critical for your business. But you also don't have time to manage and answer those reviews. I mean, you've got a million other things to do, right? You're a business owner. So why not let AI technology do all of the heavy lifting for you? With our totally automated AI-powered review responder, you can respond to every review, good or bad, with a super articulate, SEO-friendly response to increase your Google rankings, increase your engagement, and attract more customers organically. Now, responding to reviews increases your chance of raking in much higher search results by up to 52%. If you're not actively responding to your Google reviews, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to boost your local SEO. Now, I don't know if you know this, but Google takes customer feedback really seriously. Serious as a heart attack. And when a business responds to reviews, it shows them that you care about your customers and you're actively working to improve your business. Responding to reviews works wonders for your online visibility. When I go through and I look at other companies' reviews, some companies have 400 or 500 reviews and they didn't even bother to respond to any of them. So when you respond to these reviews, you show your customers that you care about their feedback. And when customers see that you care, they leave more positive reviews, which leads to even more organic growth. Now, it's a simple formula. Respond to the reviews, get more customers, get more reviews, get higher ratings, and then watch your business grow. So with AI-powered review responses, it increases the engagement with your customers. And by simply identifying and responding to your customer concerns really quickly and really efficiently, you can increase customer satisfaction and build a loyal customer base. Now, customers are willing to pay up to 31% more for a product or a service from a business with excellent review activity. You know, I can give you a list of endless stats about reviews and how customers act, but just think about it for a minute. You're a customer too. When you search for a business or service online, who is it that you're gonna pick? You know, I'm guessing that you're gonna pick the company with the most reviews, the best reviews, and the one that shows it listens to its customers. Am I right? Well, here's your chance to be that business. You know, when you're a business owner and your business gets a new review, AI review literally just springs into action. Our AI review automation is like wickedly smart, and that's why you can trust it to reply to your reviews for you, all right? Now, the magic is that it fully understands your customers. It understands what they're saying, what they're trying to say, and after analyzing the review, it's able to write an amazing, articulate, context-specific response that addresses the reviewer's comments and concerns. So when it's a positive review, it's sure to address and thank the customer for using the service and using the context of their review. Now, if you do happen to get a negative review, like either 1, 2, or 3 stars, AI reviews can mitigate that negative feedback by addressing the customer's complaint, offer a contact method, and then ask for an opportunity to give your business another shot. So, you know, not only does this help diffuse a potentially negative situation, it can completely turn around an unhappy customer into a satisfied one. Now, on top of that, responding to negative reviews publicly really demonstrates to, you know, other potential customers that you value their you value customer service and that you're dedicated to addressing any issues that might come up. So let us go ahead and set up your Google My Business with AI Responder so you can just sit back, you can relax, know that your customers are getting the attention they deserve while you're automatically increasing your business's visibility and their reputation. All right, go ahead and order yours now.